What up YouTube, this is Danny, back in another video. Today, we're unboxing the Logitech Lift for Mac. This is the Mac version of the ergonomic mouse. Part of the Ergo series by Logitech. I actually have one I unboxed similar not long ago. This is the Vertical MX, or MX Vertical. So I am going to open this one up as well. This one's for at home, obviously. This one's going to be for at work. So, because I'm in the office all day. I work in a warehouse, but I'm in the office part all day. I'm on the computer all 8 hours of the day. And yeah, I feel like this will be much easier on my very injured wrists. I have carpal tunnel syndrome or whatever. Is it a syndrome? Yeah, I think it's a syndrome. Anyway, I've got it. So I'm going to open this up, obviously, on camera, and then we are going to compare between the Vertical MX or MX Vertical versus this lift. And they do make the lift for Windows as well. In fact, this probably works on Windows as well. These just have the Macintosh colors, if you will. So this is like it's not called white, it's like something silver. I don't see it on the bottom. It is optimized for macOS and compatible with iPad, but it's Bluetooth mouse, so chances are this will work just fine on Windows. I don't see why it wouldn't. But, yeah, it's got a 24-month battery life. It does take batteries instead of rechargeable. Like, the MX is rechargeable, so that is one thing I already know right off the bat. Why the MX costs more than the lift. But, yeah, this is going to be for work. So, I'm slowly becoming more and more of a Logitech fan. I have a lot of Logitech stuff, as you guys have realized the last few weeks. Most of my unboxing videos are Logitech themed. They're not paying me. That'd be nice if they were, but they're not. Okay, this slides through like that. Chuck that over there. And this pulls out. Chuck the box. It's got like a little housing. Alright, I already like the way it feels. You know, I thought this was going to feel cheaper than the MX Vertical, but it doesn't. It feels just as quality, actually. So that's pretty cool. Oh, it's magnetic. It's got a magnetic door on the bottom, which is pretty cool. So you just do that. Pops right in. Very nice. I like that a lot. Okay, so it's ready to pair. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to the computer screen. I need to move my... Hold on a second. We're going to do this live. Do this in real time. It's been bothering me. I need to do that. I'm going to make that just a little bit smaller. There you go. Do it live. Screw it. Okay, so I'm going to go up to System Preferences, or System Settings is what they renamed it to. Over Bluetooth. Okay, Lift 4. Okay, Lift for Mac is connected. And there we go. Very simple. Very comfortable. Just like... Ooh, that's quiet! Do you hear how quiet that is? Hold on a second. Let me switch back to default camera. So, we can get a better look at it now that I have it opened and set up already. But yes, it's beautiful. It is. It's very nice. Again, this is their silver version. It's white, basically. I mean, this part's gray, I guess, or off-white. It's very nice. But yeah, when you click it, I'm going to click it real quick. Microphone's right here, so. Yeah, it's super. Okay, I'm pressing buttons. It's super, super quiet. Compare. So here's the Vertical MX, or MX Vertical. Or I keep calling it the wrong thing, I'm sure. But, compare. Quiet. That's the lift. Oh, I'm pressing buttons again. I'm trying not to stop the recording. Almost did. Okay. Make sure my mouse is nowhere to be found. Okay, good. So, focus. All right, here's the lift. Super quiet, right? Super quiet. All right, and here's the vertical. Clicky. Nothing wrong with that. Just so yeah, but they both look great. You know, to me, they're both brand new. Even though this one's been out for 4 years and this one came out 3 months ago, I want to say. But yeah, it's just as comfortable. I will say, if you have bigger hands, the vertical might be the way to go, because this thing, as you can see, it's just a little smaller than the vertical. The lift is just a little bit smaller than the vertical, but they're both great. So I have small hands, so this is gonna be just fine for me. But yeah, this is gonna be great. I'm gonna love using that at work. But this definitely, if you have bigger hands, you probably want to go with the vertical over the lift. Just keep in mind, it's got noise in comparison. And yes, I keep looking at the screen because I'm making sure I'm in frame. So, but there you go. I'm shocked at how quiet the click is. That is so quiet. I love it. Yeah, cool stuff. Alright guys, I guess that'll do it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I do appreciate it. More to come as always. And yeah, my work setup just got a lot better with both the Logitech pop keys and the lift mouse. So, in case you didn't see my last video, these two things, yes, I unboxed them at home, but this is going to my actual workplace. That my 9 to 5 is getting this setup to replace the Razer setup I currently have. And stay tuned for that stuff, because that Razer Huntsman keyboard and the pink mouse, the Razer pink mouse, I can't talk. The Razer pink mouse I have with it are going to be on eBay. So everything works fine. I'm just switching it up. So thank you all so much for watching. Do appreciate it. More to come. Stay tuned. If you want to check out my eBay store, it's always below. This mouse is going to be right below on Amazon. Keep in mind, I do make a small commission if you order through my link, so I do appreciate it. You do support the channel every time you do. So, and I'm also going to link the Vertical MX below as well. I'll go ahead and link them both, and you know what? I'll just link the keyboard too. Why not? All three. So, thank you all so much for watching. I do appreciate it. More to come. Stay tuned, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.